Welcome to the LOGIQ F series without touch panel 3D4D instructional video. I will now go over the 3D4D capabilities of the LOGIQ F system, including the basic controls for acquisition, rendering, and manipulating datasets. Let's begin with what's required to perform 3D4D image acquisition. First, make sure an electromechanical probe capable of acquiring automatic 3D information is connected to the unit. For this session, we will be using the RAB2-6 RS probe. The active probe is displayed in the upper right corner of the screen. To acquire a 3D dataset, click the 3D4D button on the control panel in the workflow to activate the function. Now the Mode menu appears on knob 2 of the primary menu. You will see both the 4D and the static 3D modes can be selected. We will select Static 3D. When using 3D mode, you may adjust the position or size of the region of interest by adjusting the scan area. Press Scan Area, and the region of interest on the monitor will turn to green. The trackball can be used to adjust the size and position. Press Scan Area to finish adjustments. To start the volume sampling, click the left button of LR on the control panel. The entire duration of the sampling process is approximately 3 to 4 seconds, depending on the imaging and region of interest settings. During this time, you must keep the probe steady on the anatomy. After completion of sampling, the acquired volume is displayed in a multi-planar mode, consisting of 3 perpendicular planes, A, B, C, and the 3D rendered images on the lower right corner will be displayed on the main screen. 3 axes, X, Y, Z, are provided for all the planes, A, B, C, which can be used to adjust the rotation of each plane and to navigate through the volume. The words X, Y, Z are printed on 3 mode keys M, PW, CF, respectively on the control panel. For example, as we are seeing now, the reference plane is plane A. The reference plane will rotate around the axis X when we are adjusting the X. Similarly, the reference plane rotates around the axis Y or Z if Y or Z is being adjusted. Orientations of the 3D image can also be adjusted through 3D Orient. 3D Orient can be found on page 2 of knob 1 of the primary menu. The main difference between static 3D and 4D options is the dataset acquisition. We just demonstrated the static 3D option that automatically stops the data sampling. The 4D option allows you to decide when the sampling is complete. This helps enable you to capture an excellent 3D loop, which is an option that might be useful when the fetus is active. This concludes our LOGIQ F series 3D4D instructional video. For more details, you can contact your local application specialist in GE Healthcare. GE. Imagination at work.